again. Just having a look at some tasty little cars in the background. Very nice Porsche 911 Turbo over there. D7 Rex, AMG. You'll see we just come down with an, look, there's Icklepool and trees, and Audi following us. Lovely MX-5 over here.
What?
That'd be fun.
What?
That. Should you get one of those instead?
No.
Why not?
No.
No windscreen.
It's one person and it's tiny.
Yeah, but you can watch,
weird.
you can video.
And it looks weird.
It looks awesome. That looks like a lot of fun. Look how easy it'd be to work on, your whole engine showing. Two seconds.
That's weird.
Right, look, because
That's
two
weird.
seats. Yeah?
That's just weird.
That's brilliant. KTM crossbow. Oh, that was disappointing. Very disappointing. Typical BMW owner, just wheel spin. Oh, come look at the dash. Or their lack of dash. That's insane. Just squeeze past it, thanks. Oh, and he turns it off.
How many they built?
8.
He's not been noise tested, we have him in the car park.
LFA. Oh. Come over all funny. I believe the GT4S is hybrid. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but I believe it is a hybrid. Watch the cars. Right, stay back for a minute. Look how the door takes half the side of the car off.
I love those doors.
They're cool doors, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm not getting them on my car.
Why?
Because that's not cool to get Lambo. They're not Lambo doors, obviously, but doors that go up like that are normally called Lambo doors. We'll get him to start it up now, look. A tad disappointing. It is, it's a tad disappointing. I really like this. What do you think of this one over here? AMG GT. It's a beautiful colour. Look how long that bonnet is. That's a wicked car. This is the one that we was watching that guy starting to rebuild. But AMG GTR. Look at the exhaust on the thing. Tiny little exhaust. a wheel spin. Oh, he didn't. That's a surprise. Some coming round already. That's not hanging around, is it? Look, there's no other cars even kind of close. I think the Lambo might have problems, or he's just taking it easy. Crazy cars. GT3 RS. M3 Beamer. How about the TVR?
Did you enjoy it?
I do love a TVR. That's a gorgeous looking car. Oh, they're wicked. It's a cool looking car. That's a cool looking car. It's really cool.
I don't like it. I like this one.
Porsche's nice, the GT. See if we can get them off the line. GT3 RS. Classic Mustang. Huh?
I like this.
Classic Mustang. What, this? Or you like the McLaren?
I like the colours.
The classic Mustang's lovely.
I like the colours of that.
Yeah.
But I like the
But you like the McLaren. The McLaren's a cool car. That's the one we saw start up and head towards the track. And then another Super 7. Another great morning out at Goodwood at Salone events this time. Some absolutely amazing cars. Really good atmosphere. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment and we'll see you all again very soon.